Today I want to challenge you. While going about your day, do as little judging as possible. I've seen this in my own life. I remember there was a time where I would meet people, encounter them, observe them, interpret them, and judge them and condemn them to this category in which I would place them, and then I would leave them in that category. I would find myself judging people. And in doing that, I found myself judging myself. And oftentimes you'll see that in judgment, you limit your own perspective. You limit your own mind. You limit your own position. And in judging, you shut down your ability to love. And you see, love is a superpower. I don't care what anyone ever tells you. If there's one thing in your life that will propel you through any obstacle, through any fear, through any challenge, it is your ability to love yourself, the people around you, and to love the moment. If you can increase the level in which you love, you can do anything. Love is universal intelligence. If there was one energy that I could connect to the divine, there was one energy and feeling that I would say, that's God, it's love. And the same thing exists with you. Love connects. Love strengthens. Love is something that you can build with. And so when you find yourself judging people, you limit your ability to love. Instead of judging, give yourself room to understand them. Try to understand deeper. When you begin to lean towards that judging place, wait a minute. Let me consider what they've been through in life. What was their mama like? What was their pops like? What was their brother, their sister like? What was their close-knit relationships like early on in their life? What traumas have they been through? What environment did they come up in? What environment are they in now? Look at all these puzzle pieces. How are you going to judge an incomplete picture? You know, you got to put the puzzle pieces together. And once you give yourself time and you give that person the room and you allow yourself to be patient enough, you'll see that as you piece those puzzle pieces together of that person's life, the picture that you'll see is really your story. Because at the end of the day, we're all the same, man. I don't care what you want to say. I don't care what kind of spin you put on it, we're all the same. We all have hearts that's beating in our chest, a brain to reason with, emotions. We have high points, we have low points. We have a mother and father, family members, depending on, and we all have different kinds of relationships. We all go through the same stuff here in life. So I'm not here to judge you, because in judging you, I judge myself. And in limiting my love for you, I limit my love for myself. And I need all the love I can get, baby.